What we're doing here today is to remind our motorists about not just these cones that you see here, which represent every turnpike employee that has been passed or killed in the line of duty. It's also to remind people about the people that stand behind those cones. That's the mothers, that's the sons, that's the daughters, that's the granddaughters. It's a reminder that those are the folks that are here left to pick up the pieces after that senseless passing of their lives. No one that was involved in the accidents representing these cones ever left their house that day and said, I'm going to go kill someone. But that's exactly what happened. So you think about that idea of waking up every day with the understanding that you took a life because of that careless act. Whether that was speeding, whether that was driving while not paying attention, whether that was driving while intoxicated. It was those actions that they could have stopped that could have changed history.
We're here today to kind of bring awareness to the 63 million cars that are going to ride between now and the end of the summer on the Turnpike, but really to protect your family, the riding public out there that's on the Turnpike, but more importantly to protect our family, the employees at the Turnpike, our contractors' employees, and to make them feel safe in the work zones.